how to delete multiple messages on Messenger on iPhone. So let's get started. So basically this is my dummy account, so you cannot see any messages available here, but still I'm going to guide you through how to delete it all. So firstly, all you have to do is tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon available in the top right corner. After you tap on the gear icon, you'll be navigated to the settings. Now from there, scroll down and look for the report a problem option available there, and simply tap on it. Now once inside the report a problem, continue with the process. And after you do so, you will get to see another option where you can see include or don't include. Simply tap on the include and continue. Now all you have to do is you will get to see an inbox box option available there. Simply write down this message on the box and upload the photo of your chat, then send it to the Facebook Messenger support, and they will contact you as soon as possible with the troubleshooting idea. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.